Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, I would like to invite you to attend the 23rd Asia Pacific Orthopaedic Association Congress, which will be held in Dubai between the 29th of February until 2nd of March 2024. This is an amazing opportunity where all Asia unite in Dubai, and we host it here with our hospitality. There will be a different 12 sessions of orthopedics happening at the same time. There will be different specialty of orthopedics covering during this 3 days of festival of knowledge and information. We are happy to welcome you, and we hope you see you soon in Dubai. Thank you.